It's day 19, Friday, 25th June 2022, of the murder trial of 14-year-old Dea-John Reid. 5 males charged with murder, 3 of them minors, 2 adults, alongside an adult woman for assisting an offender. Well, the final 3 defence barristers gave their summing up today. The one for the minor who actually inflicted the wound, which killed Dea-John, was actually saying there are issues with young people and knives and their thought matters and their life experiences, and clearly the way in which they view life is very different from others. And he pointed out that he was just a child who obviously felt that the initial contact with the group of lads that Dea-John was with caused an issue and made him frightened and made him want to ensure that he protected himself. In terms of the second defendant, he was there but he didn't take part. This is the other male in what happened, and there was extensive summing up in regard to his good character and asking the jury, how could you expect a man with all this good character to do this, and basically asking for him to be given the benefit of the doubt. And then the third person who was asked, whose barrister summed up today, for a woman who's been charged with assistant offender. I've got to be careful what I say here, but clearly they were asked, someone who's looking out for the interests of a child. They clearly lost the plot, and because they lost their head in terms of the actions which they took, they shouldn't be found guilty of that. So that finished sort of just after lunch today, and then the His Honour Judge Johnson started his summing up, and he went through the evidence and the eyewitness evidence up to the point of the wound being inflicted, and he'll pick up back on Monday morning in his summing up at Birmingham Crown Court. And it is anticipated that at some point Monday morning towards lunchtime, or maybe in the afternoon, the jury will go out finally to consider their verdict of the 5 males charged with murder in the case of Dea-John Reid, and also a woman charged with assisting an offender. More news on Monday.